Germany's unemployment rate has hit a record low, but slower inflation has raised concerns over deflation. The Federal Statistical Office revised October's unemployment number from 6.7% to 6.6%. November's figure was also 6.6%. Both figures were adjusted for seasonal variation. Meanwhile, inflation fell to its lowest rate in nearly 5 years in November. Official figures showed inflation DRDHE fall in the number of unemployed was larger than analysts' expectations, down 14,000 to 2.872 million, the Federal Labor Office said. The figures are in marked contrast to many other economies in the Eurozone. Economists have warned of a potential economic stagnation trap in the euro area. However, analysts said that record employment, rising wages and low interest rates are helping to prop up domestic demand in Germany. Germany's buoyant labor market continues to underpin wage growth and thus private consumption, in combination with very low inflation, said Christian Schulz, economist at Berenberg.op, to 0.5% in November from 0.7% in October. Please subscribe the video.